In section 7.6, we're going to go over some strategies for solving word problems. Solving word problems requires that you take a sentence and turn it into a mathematical equation. This table, for your reference, gives you some keywords that help you figure out how to write that mathematical equation. Here are some steps to translating a word problem to an algebra equation. The first thing you want to do is cross out all unnecessary words. Take the sentence, the size of a drill for a tap is equal to the tap diameter minus the depth. We're going to cross out the unnecessary words, the, of a drill for a tap, etc. Now, make a word equation using parentheses to group the arithmetic terms, include units if known, or given in the problem. Size, S, is a group. Is equal to is a group. Tap diameter, T, is a group. Minus is a group. And depth, D, is a group. Now substitute a variable, which is a letter, or arithmetic symbol for each group in the parentheses, and we come up with the math equation, S equals T minus D. Substitute values where given and solve the problem. Here's an example. The electrical resistance of a length of wire is equal to the resistivity of the metal times the length of the wire divided by the square of the wire diameter. You can see that we've crossed out all the unnecessary words and we've come up with these groupings. Electrical resistance, large R, is a group, is equal to is a group. Resistivity, small r, is a group, times is a group. Length, L, is a group, divided by is a group. Square of diameter, D squared, is a group. And now our algebraic expression is large R equals small RL divided by D squared. There are no known values for this problem. It's only asking you to write the equation. Here are steps to solving general word problems. Read the problem carefully and make notes of the information that you're given in the problem, and then assign a variable to represent the unknown quantity. Now write an equation using the unknown quantity and the information given in the problem, and finally solve the equation for the unknown quantity. And be sure to answer the question that you're asked in the word problem. Here's an example. Translate the following technical statement into an algebraic formula. Two pieces of wire have a combined length of 24 inches. The longer piece is 5 times the length of the shorter piece. And there's a hint, write two separate equations. So let's take the first sentence. Two pieces of wire have a combined length of 24 inches and turn that into an equation. 24 equals L, which is the longer piece, plus S, which is the shorter piece. The second equation maps to the second sentence. The longer piece is 5 times the length of the shorter piece. L, the longer piece, equals 5S, which is the shorter piece. Here's an example for you to try on your own. Suppose an auto mechanic has collected $1,468.63 for parts, including a 6% tax. Here the tax is not broken out. For accounting purposes, he must determine exactly how much of the total is sales tax. Try it on your own, stop the video, and then we will go over the answer. First, let X stand for the cost of the parts without the sales tax. We don't know this. We only know the total, which includes the 6% sales tax. So this is the unknown quantity, X. Now we're going to write the equation. We know the total amount collected is $1,468.63, and that is the cost of the parts plus the sales tax. So your equation is X plus 0.06x, and remember 6% is written as 0.06, and that equals 1,468.63. To solve, we're going to combine the two like terms on the left, 1x plus 0.06x, which equals 1.06x, and that equals 1,468.63. To get the x by itself, we divide both sides by 1.06, and we come up with x equals 1385.50. So $1,385.50 is the cost of the parts. So $1,468.63, the total, minus $1,385.50, the parts, equals $83.13, which is the sales tax.